why Nike doesn't really sell shoes. So, okay, if you think about Nike, you already assume that their running shoes is good quality. Their sports clothing, we think for a long-term use kahit medyo mahal siya. By the way, my name is MJ and I'm a marketing consultant. So, for this episode, isa-explain ko ang brand psychology about Nike. So, okay, hear me out. Most people think Nike sell shoes. And as marketing perspective, I don't think they do because Nike sells something much bigger. And yes, they sell shoes, but they're really selling is the person you want to become. Someone who's disciplined, who's healthy, someone who's taking care of their body and mind, someone who doesn't quit even when things get difficult. Because when you watch Nike campaign, they rarely focus on the shoe. Instead, they tell stories about resilience, consistency, courage, self-belief, because they understand something important. They know people don't always buy products because of what they do. They buy products because of what those products say about them. And that's why the shoe becomes more than just a shoe. It becomes symbol of the identity people aspire to. And that's one of the reasons Nike has built so much trust over the years. Not because they keep saying our shoes are the best, but because they consistently communicate what they believe in. Because people trust brands when their message stays consistent. Because consistency creates familiarity, and familiarity builds trust. And always remember this: people may buy the product once, but they stay loyal to the meaning behind the brand.